Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech More. Today, we have something special for you, the Redmi Note 12 Pro review. Xiaomi has been known for offering feature-packed smartphones at affordable prices, and the Redmi Note series has been a fan favorite for years. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the Redmi Note 12 Pro's design, performance, camera capabilities, and much more. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our tech reviews and tutorials. Let's start with the design. The Redmi Note 12 Pro follows Xiaomi's tradition of sleek and stylish smartphones. It features a frosted blue finish with a glass back build. The phone is 163 by 76 by 8 millimeters, which makes it comfortable to hold in your hand. The fingerprint sensor is conveniently placed here as well. Moving on to the display, the Redmi Note 12 Pro boasts a 6.67-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The colors are vibrant, and the brightness levels are excellent, making it great for outdoor use. It also has a 120 Hz refresh rate, which results in smooth scrolling and better overall user experience. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the MediaTek MT6877V, coupled with 6GB to 12GB of RAM and 128GB to 256GB of internal storage. This hardware combination ensures snappy performance and multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or using productivity apps, the Redmi Note 12 Pro handles it all with ease. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of this phone, the camera. The Redmi Note 12 Pro comes with a 50MP megapixel primary camera, 8MP megapixel ultra-wide camera, 2MP megapixel macro camera, 16MP selfie camera. In our camera test, we found that it captures detailed and vibrant photos in various lighting conditions. The night mode also impresses with its low light performance. Battery life is always a concern, but with the Redmi Note 12 Pro, you can expect all-day usage thanks to its 5000 mAh battery. It also supports 67W fast charging, which means you can juice it up quickly when needed. In terms of software, the Redmi Note 12 Pro runs on Xiaomi's MIUI 13 based on Android 12. MIUI offers a plethora of customization options and features. It also comes with some pre-installed apps, but you can easily uninstall or disable them if you prefer a cleaner experience. So, to wrap it up, the Redmi Note 12 Pro is a solid mid-range smartphone that offers a great balance of design, performance, and camera capabilities. It's a reliable device for everyday use, and Xiaomi's pricing strategy makes it even more appealing. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, the Redmi Note 12 Pro is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review of the Redmi Note 12 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. As always, if you have any questions or want to see more content like this, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.